Hello everybody, welcome to our channel again after a while. Today we have
Jess
and Paris. Okay, what are we eating today? Timibana.
we are having Korean fried chicken wings from actually in Korea. We have a crazy story to tell you. Hopefully we got this from Kyo-chan. Oh my god. Oh.
Ooh. This one's spicy
Mm.
and this one's garlic. Okay, suru.
I'm going to have a cold drink. Oh,
It's
Sizzle.
good. It's really good.
Was it worth it? I'm going to have the
맛있어.
맛있어.
Good. Really crunchy.
Wow.
Korean cooked pork.
I'm glad. I'm glad we left it. In Korea.
간이 많아 나다.
I mean,
You guys see the chicken?
I think you can. Oh,
Yeah.
dehydrated on.
Multi-atom days in your hat. 맛있어.
So we're in our hotel room and we've only got a few days left in Korea. It's the best experience ever of
Yep.
our lives, right? So our crazy story is, फर्स्टमा सोल आयो अनि त्यसपछि बुसान गयो अनि त्यसपछि जेजु गयो अनि जेजुबाट and by this time चाहिँ we were so tired because we're every day हामी यताउता गर्दै थियो अनि पर्सा जाने उसको चिलाउने आएर
Food poisoning.
food poisoning भएर अनि मलाई पनि food poisoning भएर like 1-2 days then we were sick and by the time we went to Jeju we relaxed or back on the hill चाहिँ हामीले बुसाबाट जेजुको टिकट काटेको थियो by plane अनि जेजुबाट यहाँ आउँदाखेरि चाहिँ we were like पाउँछ ठिकै छ भनेर छाडेको त है पछि त प्लेन टिकट नै नरहेछ so हामी we had to fly from Jeju to Busan अनि बुसानबाट जाने we had to take another flight हैन so छुट्टै flight हामीले काट्नु पर्यो के फेरि whereas direct flight नै नपाएर है अनि I know it's our problem because हामीले राम्रोसँग प्लान गरेन अनि but we were just so tired अनि was it worth it? I guess so. अनि हामी ठ्याक्क है अनि त्यो नाइट चाहिँ हाम्रो बहिनीसँग पनि भेट्ने प्लान थियो के so we were really looking forward to it like going out with बहिनी and everything अनि त्यसपछि when we came back हाम्रो सोलको होटलबाट हाम्रो सामान लिएर अर्को होटल जानुपर्ने थियो so we came here अनि ट्याक्सीमा सबै भए राम्रै भए अनि पछि ठ्याक्क ट्याक्सीबाट निस्केपछि मैले मेरो I realized I left my freaking bag with my passport, Paristako passport, हाम्रो card, bank card, cash, अनि keys to our suitcases.
सबै एउटा ब्यागमा
है अनि त्यही ब्याग we had literally 3-4वटा ब्याग है अनि त्यो ब्याग मात्र छाडेको क्या हामीले वो मैले छाडेको गाडीमा है
सानो भएर होला ब्याग
Yeah, so and that's the first time I've ever left anything. हुन्छ नि मैले I've never even lost like my phone or anything touch wood हुन्छ नि त्यस्तो केही पनि भएन है अनि
She's pretty good.
Yeah, I just could not believe it अनि हामी ट्याक्सीबाट निस्क्यो है अनि I think within 5 minutes I was like last shit मेरो छैन ब्याग and we ran back to the taxi को place है जता थाहा थियो नि अनि
हामीले बेसिकली ट्याक्सीलाई चेस गर्नु खोजेको
First also ran back. And we were thinking, la, taxi driver uncle le थाहा पाउँछ and he's gonna come back in that place. अनि हामी बसे गरे एकछिन त के गर्ने अनि नो त्यो पनि भएन. अनि त्यसपछि हामीले चाहिँ नि कोरियामा ट्याक्सी हेल गरेको थियो कि. सो दे हेभ एपबाट लिएको थिएन त्यो एयरपोर्टबाट ट्याक्सी भनेर लिएर आएको थिएँ. अनि त्यो माथि हामीले क्यास तिरे. अनि पछि हामीले अनलाइन खोजेको चाहिँ नि के हुँदो रहेछ भने आफूले फोनबाट हेल गरेछ भने चाहिँ नि यु क्यान कल कम्पनी एन्ड देन यु हेभ you can they can find it for you, or even हामीले card use गरेको भए they can use that information. So literally we didn't know his name, we didn't know his registration number, nothing at this point. And we were just in shock. अनि हाम्रो
तिमी त रुनु आएको थियो.
Yeah, so I literally
मेरो
yeah, I was like about to cry, and then I was thinking, no, like maybe we just remembered that the taxi was something called Kakao taxi. So हामीले होटलमा गयो अनि एकजना मान्छे बिचारा like Korean guy who was I think he might own the hotel, or he was like one of the workers. He tried to help. He called Kakao taxi company अनि तिनीहरूले like I think they said like call back okay like
Saturday भएर and it was कति 9 बजेको थियो कि कति बजे थियो. And they said Saturday चाहिँ अफिसहरु क्लोज हुन्छ. You guys have to try on Monday भनेको थियो क्या. And Monday त अब it's going to be like 1.5 day. अनि हामीलाई हार्ट एट्याक आइसक्यो. अनि मेरो चाहिँ टेन्सन लागिसक्यो. ओ माय गॉड मेरो काम के गर्ने, म त काममा जानुपर्छ अनि फेरि पासपोर्ट अप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ. All that tension which I didn't want. तर
basically long story short, we tried everything and we could, and finally Parisa and I'm so glad that she takes a lot of videos, because in that moment she went back on the on her camera and then we realized that they were when she was taking the videos, she's got the registration number of the car. And then we told the hotel comanche, because when he called the car taxi, like the company, you have to speak in Korean. So that was another issue. So we had to have someone like who speaks in Korean. And he tried to call them, but no one was picking up. And literally, they were saying, okay, you will have to wait till Monday. And by this point, we were like, okay, हाम्रो सामान लिएर अर्को होटलमा गयो. अनि हाम्रो I think already cash थियो. So it was okay, like, but हामीलाई चाहिँ अब कस्तो डर लागिसक्यो. We don't have a passport, nothing. अनि के गरौँ भयो. अनि पछि चाहिँ नि we were like, okay, पुलिसकोमा जाने. I don't know why we thought पुलिसकोमा जाने.
मैले त फर्स्टमा पुलिसकोमा जाम भनेको.
Yeah, and we walked to like 20 minutes. And we were like, I don't know, police like UK or just I think they would have just kind of blamed us and be like, okay, you just have to wait, like what's the name? There's nothing they can do. Pachita, when we went police station and we told them the story, like, oh, they do software, right? So like card everything. They took it pretty seriously. And the person was so nice, and he was just like, no, we will try and help you. Like they took us really seriously, and then they called another police branch, and they got us into the car.
We go in the police car, guys. First time police car ma gएको. And it was so scary because obviously the passenger पछाडि र अगाडिको त्यो jail खाना जस्तो हुन्छ. अनि you can't even come out of the door. They have to unlock the door and escort गरेको के police uncle he had to open the door, he had to close the door and everything.
Some of them were non-English speakers, some of them weren't. So I mean, and I think, I don't know, somehow like they just were able to contact, I think, the vehicle registration tower, like they were able to do like and we waited like for quite like few hours, and they were so apologetic. They were like, oh, sorry it's taking so long. We were shocked that they were even helping us, because it was our fault. Like when I pretty much were thinking, oh, Monday someone like company open by Pashi, and we would just have to maybe apply for another passport or something.
Whoops, God save you.
Yeah, And mother Runa has no idea. I was just like, it's okay. Like, like you cannot, like, what can you do, right? Feeling bad about it, like panicking is not gonna help the situation. And Parasapani, oh my god, she was so nice about it. Like, मलाई blame गरेको भए I think I would have even, you know.
तिम्रो फल्ट हैन नि त तिमीले जान गरेको हैन सो झगडा गरेर के काम त्यो अब you just have to be supportive guys because she feels bad enough already.
Yeah.
कराएर काम छैन.
So then whilst we were waiting, like, they gave us ice cream and everything.
Police uncle gave us ice cream.
Yeah.
You believe it? And यति धेरै choices के he had 6 or 7 ice cream कुन खाने भनेर हामीलाई.
We need to leave good review. As a conversation. And we were just like, we just didn't know how to thank them. And somehow I think they managed to locate the driver.
He was at Incheon airport.
Yeah, and something maybe Incheon airport I think he gave in our bag and everything. And somehow they took us to another police station, and then we picked up the bag from there, and they dropped us to our hotel as well.
Yeah.
It's crazy night. And we didn't tell anybody because we didn't want anybody to panic.
We didn't tell our parents.
Yeah, we didn't tell our parents, we didn't tell our relatives. Siblings. Yeah, because we just didn't want anyone to panic about So, but the thing is, we're just so impressed by the police. Like, I know that sometimes not everyone have the same experience. Like, I have heard that they are like not great experience, but this was our experience, and we feel that definitely it deserves like a shout out because we're just still in shock.
Yeah.
That we managed to get our bag back. And there's Korea that it's pretty like safe, like you will get your stuff back.
Yeah, but literally scooter चलाइरहेको हुन्छ नि and they need to go to the shops. Scooter को चाबी त्यही राख्छ, engine पनि on गरिरहेछ, shops तिर जान्छ, किनेर आउँछ, त्यही scooter मा बसेर जान्छ. Like scooter को चाबी सबै they just leave it in the अनि गाडी पनि त्यतिकै मान्छेले ब्यागहरु त्यतिकै राखेर जान्छ. And the good thing here is people don't, it's the crime rate is very low, so yeah. So if you guys know, let us know why the crime rate is low. Because if this was in London, mate, disappeared. We wanted to buy them some biscuit or chocolate or fruit,
like to try and thank them, but I don't think you are allowed. So we'll have to leave a review.
Good review.
We'll see. And one of the positive and negative experience. Obviously, negative is because of our own self. And if you're not following us on Instagram or TikTok, we'll be uploading a lot about our experience. So if you're interested, please follow us. And
we'll add the links here.
Yeah. It even inspired us to make a mukbang videos every day.
That's true.
But we'll be flying back. We'll be really sad. But Korea experience, like, it's been very eye-opening, and we've gotten like a lot of ideas about certain things. So we'll see. Fingers crossed. Ke huncha aba future ma.
Yeah.
But I hope you guys are well.
If you have any stories of your experiences in Korea, then let us know as well. We'll see if we can relate. But overall, Korea is one of the best places we visited, hands down. And normally I don't say this, but I wouldn't mind relocating to Korea. That's how good it is. And I'm a very, very fussy Mante. So, yeah. I'm so thankful. 감사합니다. 맛있어.
Thank you.
맛있어. Come on, bye bye like 먼저. 안녕하세요.
Bye bye. I think this is something that I have to Google.
안녕하세요. 먼저
안녕하세요. 아니고 hi.
अनि आज पनि भन्थ्यो अङ्कलले.
Yeah, they do say that to say bye as well, I think.
Okay.
Bye.